I just created YouTube videos for an entire month in just 3 minutes using this AI software. Now, as you can see, I have videos posting almost every single day for the next month. And the cool thing is I created all these videos using AI. Not only did this software create the actual video, it creates the scripts, the titles, the YouTube descriptions, and it even posts for you every single day. Hey, what's up? My name is Jonathan Montoya, and I've helped over 60,000 people get started on their path to financial and time freedom. Now, if you want that time and financial freedom, I want you to say Freedom Rebels down below. Let's get into the video. All right, so I'm going to show you how I created an entire month's worth using this AI video software called Syllabi. Now, I've been using this not only to post YouTube videos, but also TikTok, Instagram, and basically any type of video platform. I've been using this software to automate the entire process. Now, in this video specifically, I'm going to be showing you how to use Syllabi. That way you can bulk schedule your content for an entire month. Now, I do have in-depth tutorials on how to use Syllabi. You can check out those videos on my channel. You can check that out right here. Also, if you're interested in using Syllabi, I also have this video which shows you how to get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses just for using Syllabi. So make sure to check that out if you're interested. I'll also leave my bonus down below in the YouTube description. All right, so as I promised, I want to show you how I created the entire month worth in literally just under 3 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do now is I want to show you how to do the exact same thing. Now, as you can see, all these videos are actually long form videos, meaning they are not short form videos where they're under a minute. These are 3 minute, 6 minute, even up to 10-minute videos. So they're long form type videos, okay, which is one of my favorite type of videos on YouTube. But in this example, I'm just going to show you how to do it using short form videos as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to go to where it says bulk scheduler. Okay, now again, if you don't have Syllabi yet, they actually give you a free trial. Again, I'll leave my bonus document down below where you can get access to Syllabi through my link. And then of course I can give you thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Okay. But once you're inside, you're going to click on where it says a bulk scheduler. And what we're going to do is we're going to create short form videos for the entire month. As you can see, I've already created long form videos, but now I want to do short form. So I'm going to click on create bulk scheduler. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to post on all the platforms. Okay. Again, assuming that you've already connected all your platforms here, I'm just going to leave all those on because what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a short form video every single day. Okay. Now, next is we need a topic to focus on, right? This is your niche. And what you want to do is you want to tell Syllabi what type of videos you want to make. Okay. So I'm actually going to go to custom topic because I want to be very specific on what type of videos I want them to create because it's going to create literally 28 days worth of videos. So I got to tell it what type of videos that I want. All right. So I went ahead and I wrote a description. Okay. I basically said, I help people quit their 9-to-5 job by teaching various side hustles such as affiliate marketing, using AI, online jobs, online businesses. I want my videos to be controversial and talking about why school is a scam and why jobs are not safe. Okay. So that's what I'm going to give the AI. I'm going to leave all these social media platforms on. Also, I do want to leave this on as well because it's going to auto generate the descriptions, the tags, all that stuff, right? So it's truly hands off once you set this up. Okay. Next thing here is if you want to add a call to action, you can. So basically, you know, if you want people to go to a certain affiliate link or a certain course that you're selling, you can turn that on. Okay. I'm going to leave it off for now because what I want to do is I just want to create content. I want to get people to my channel. Okay. So next thing here is I'm going to go to the next 28 days, basically for the next month. Okay. And then I want to do at least one post per day. Okay. Start day. So we'll start tomorrow. And then posting frequency, I do want to post every single day. I'm going to post at, we'll do 11 a.m. and see what happens. Okay. So I'm going to post this every single day. Hopefully I have enough credits for this. So I'm going to hit next. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just make sure. Okay. Yeah. So we're going to hit next here. And then what we want to do is we want to pick the type of videos that we want to make. Okay. So this is where you tell it, hey, what type of videos are we going to go and create? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually switch this to portrait, right? Which is is a short form video. I do want this under a minute, okay, because these are going to be the shorter form videos. And then we want to pick a visual, right? So we're going to go ahead and choose cinematic realism, okay? And then I'm going to go with Archie. I've been using this voice, so I've been liking it. So I'm going to keep that. And then the subtitle for this one here, I'm actually going to put the subtitle. I'm going to go to advanced option, and I could throw that in the middle. There we go. So let me see if it looks better in the bottom. No, we'll do middle for this one here. And then no music. We're going to keep this the way it is, and we're going to update existing. Okay. All right. Perfect. All right. So next thing we want to do is we want to generate script. Okay. Now this is actually going to generate scripts for the entire calendar month, or however many days you told it to create scripts. Okay, so I'm gonna hit generate script here, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna create videos for every single day. Okay, so as you can see here, it's starting to work. Okay, and this is literally, I created all these videos in under 3 minutes. Okay, and what you'll notice is it's gonna create a script for every single day. Right here, it's starting to create, right? So we got the title, it's gonna write the descriptions, it's gonna write the script. All right, and as you can see, if we click on this right here, you can see that the videos are now gonna be posted every single day, and every single day is gonna be different, right? So that's the cool thing, is you tell it what type of videos that you want, and then it's gonna go ahead and create different videos every single day, or whatever you choose to do. Okay, so now what I want to do is all the scripts are written out. The next thing is I'm just gonna go ahead and hit generate video. Okay, so this is going to actually generate all the videos. Okay, so I'm going to hit this right here. All right, so once you generate the video, as you can see, in just a few moments, the videos will start to populate. As you can see, all my short form videos are now scheduled out for the entire month. As you can see, I just created a month's worth of content in literally just under 3 minutes, which is absolutely insane. I'm super excited because, as you can see, these videos are not only posting on YouTube, but as you can see on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and my goal is just to continue posting content. That way I can grow a bigger following, whether it's faceless or just creating videos like I am right now. Now, again, as I mentioned, I have a bonus when you get syllabi through my affiliate link. Now, the cool thing is it's at no additional cost to you, but if you get it through my link, I actually give you thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Okay, I'm gonna leave that down in the description down below. That way you can read through it, how to access the bonus. And the reason I created this bonus is because I wanted to create something that can help you go viral even more than the software itself. Now, how do we actually make money with syllabi and creating content? Well, most people are just trying to create content to get ad revenue, meaning when they create videos, these platforms will put ads on the videos, and that's how most people are trying to make money, which is not my favorite way to make money. The best way is to have a product. More importantly, leverage other people's products. That way you can make money. And this is the method I've taught to over 60,000 people, how to tap into multiple companies without ever creating your own product or having to worry about ad revenue. I want to show you exactly how that works with our new Leave Your 9-to-5 challenge, where I'm going to show you how to tap into over 15 products within a day. I'll leave that down below. That'll be the second link. That way you can get access to that challenge. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and God bless.